Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor security cameras with the Swann CoreCam Pro Spotlight Security Camera. At just $149.99, it promises sharp video and high-end features. But is it worth it? Let's find out. The Swann CoreCam Pro comes in a weatherproof enclosure, making it suitable for outdoor use. It includes a 2K camera, color night vision, and local video storage. Plus, it has strong support for third-party smart devices, making it a versatile choice. But hold on, there's competition. The TP-Link Tapo C420S2 Smart Wire-Free Security Camera System offers two high-res cameras for just $50 more, with better video quality in dim environments. And guess what? No extra charges for subject detection. Both cameras are weatherproof with an IP65 rating, so they can handle the outdoors. The Swann CoreCam Pro includes a spotlight and supports micro SD cards for local video storage. However, its rechargeable battery is not removable, which can be a bit inconvenient when it's time to recharge. Setting up the CoreCam Pro is easy and straightforward. Simply charge the camera, scan the QR code, and connect it to your Wi-Fi. Once paired, you can start receiving motion alerts and enjoy two-way conversations. The CoreCam Pro delivers sharp and colorful video during the day, but nighttime captures suffer from a lack of contrast and appear slightly dark. The Spotlight provides some light for color night vision, but it's not as powerful as a dedicated floodlight camera. On the other hand, the TP-Link Tapo C420S2 offers better nighttime video quality and removes the need for additional subscription costs for subject detection. In conclusion, the Swann CoreCam Pro Spotlight Security Camera is a good value for the price. But if nighttime video quality and subject detection are crucial for you, the TP-Link Tapo C420S2 is a better option. For just $50 more, you get two high-res cameras and removable batteries for more convenient recharging. That's our review of the Swann CoreCam Pro Spotlight Security Camera. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. Until next time, stay secure. This is Product Critique, signing off. See you in the next video.